Patrick of the Feral Mods YouTube channel and Facebook page is the 21st participant in the Silva challenge. I'm doing it a little different this time, again. I've got out some different tubs. I've got these two labeled as mild fantasy vehicles. This one is construction vehicles. So let's go with those for this one and see what we end up with. Let's tell you what, let's do it this way. Let's put this one here first. That's kind of interesting. It's a Hot Wheels. I don't see any name on it other than somebody personalized it with an NK. It says Metro Sanitation. Metro Sanitation Racing. I guess this is fast poop. I don't know what it is, but that could be interesting. That could be a good start to a project. Now that's obviously from Cars. Yeah, what the heck? That's it's obviously it's a Porsche of some kind. It's a cheap knockoff, and it's bad, really badly done. So there you go. It doesn't take up any space, so that's my excuse for putting it in there. This thing's kind of cute. It's like a little dune buggy. That could be really interesting. Yeah, fits right there. God, that's an old Hot Wheels. I'm hanging on to this one because I have one very similar to this in yellow set aside to work on at some point. So that's being set aside. You know, I forget what I have in these tubs sometimes. Silver bullet. It's not silver. But other than that, it's obvious it's the silver bullet. What else would you name that? Whoa. Hot Wheels 2-timer. Man, that's a beefy looking thing. Yeah. I don't want to get too carried away just dumping all of this one tub in there. So I want to kind of... Well, you've already got one of these, so I'm not going to give you a second of those. Huh. Definitely want to get into the other tubs. Oh, heck, that's a Hot Wheels Sizzler. Wow, that is probably one of the ones in the best condition I've seen, at least that I've ever received. Wow, I'm definitely setting that aside. That's in great shape. Huh. Maybe tell me if you think I should do a giveaway on this. Because, you know, I hate to do anything to it. Like, there's nothing to restore. I mean, obviously the battery, you know, is out and stuff on it. But, man, that's in great shape. Yeah, I'm setting that aside, too. Maybe I need to go through these tubs more often. Let's move to another tub. Let's move over to the construction vehicles, because if I put too much fantasy junk in there, how is this going to have any kind of realistic base to it? Turbo. This is a street. Yeah, it's a Matchbox street cleaner. Oh. Well, that's cool. Huh. Yeah. I'm sure you could do something with that. That's this in? Oh, it's like, why is this in construction vehicles? But I can see. Oh, there we go. Gotta have a forklift of some kind. Forklift truck, matchbox. Yeah, you know there's going to be a forklift in these things. Oh, that's in great shape too. Tractor shovel, matchbox, old 29. Yeah. Get in there. Get in there. Huh. Hydraulic excavator, matchbox. Oh, that's actually kind of tall. Matchbox rescue crane. All right, let's go with that. Okay. Let's get another fantasy tub out here. It's the Ratmobile. Actually, I think I might have. Part of this may have gone to Kristen over at 1st and 64th Customs for his challenge build. Possibly that's where the rat head went. Maybe I gave him a whole casting, but I know he used it in a fantastic way. I'm giving you rat scraps. Riveted. Yeah, that's kind of cool. That has a real Mad Max feel to it. Stuff's flying. I need something to fill that spot. What do we got? Need something kind of small. Probably too big. What do we got? Oh. Yeah. Fast 4-wheel drive. See, perfect. Can't get any better than that. Now we need to throw some 3D parts in there. I'm still shocked about this sizzler. I'm sorry, it it has me distracted. I apologize for that. When it comes to 3D printed parts, I'm getting limited now. I'm having to get back to the FDM printed stuff as opposed to the resin printed stuff because I don't have that much resin printed stuff left. There's some tanks. Lord knows what you will use pellets for, but there's some pellets. Guns. Jerry cans. Oops. Oh, that's just a pile of stuff I gotta figure out. More guns. And stuff. Tell you what, this isn't all sorted out well. So there's just more guns and another gun. And what else? A couple engines. Box of some kind. Oh. Sorted sizes of seats. Yeah, I need to sort through this stuff. Another engine. Then, like I said, I need to get my resin printer going because I'm starting to run low on these things. Have to add skulls, jerry cans and tanks. The new year will bring me getting that resin printer going again, or screaming, one of the two. How about some rocket sets? Bull bar for the front, a couple of those. set of 4 rockets. I think that'll do it. Okay, Patrick, I will add some stickers and stuff in here like I usually do. I will get this out in the mail to you, and hopefully you'll have a lot of fun with this. And this will be the last one going out in the mail of 2022. So we did a total of 21 challenges have been issued this year. So, been a busy year. Thanks everybody for watching these videos. I hope you have as much fun with these as I do. I hope you're as surprised at some of the things that I stumble across in these piles of junk cars. So everybody stay safe and healthy out there. I wish you a very happy new year, and hope everyone has a wonderful 2023. Thanks for watching.